Using a Make AI agent, you can set up this deal pipeline agent which sends personalized briefings to deal owners every Monday with all their open deals and where they stand. Let me show you what this looks like in action. Now watch, the agent is pulling in all the open deals from the CRM, grabbing the company info, finding the deal owner of each deal, and then checking when we had last contact with each one, and then finally sending the deal pipeline review to each salesperson via email. And here's the email that each deal owner receives. Every deal gets a traffic light status: green if we've been in touch recently and have a next meeting booked, yellow if it's been a while, red if it needs attention. One glance and you know exactly where to focus. Notice how all the deals for one salesperson are grouped into one email. No inbox spam, just one clean briefing. If you want to see exactly how this agent is working under the hood and to set it up for yourself, you can head to the template page and simply click Use this scenario. This is going to import the agent scenario into your Make account. And once it's imported, you will need to connect three things. First of all, in the Make AI agent settings, you'll need to connect to whichever AI provider you want to use. In our case, we're using Gemini, but you can swap in OpenAI, Claude, or any supported model. Next up, you'll need to connect your CRM. This template uses Attio, but you can adapt this for other CRMs. And finally, connecting your email service, which in our case is Gmail. Let me show you how this agent is configured. The agent has 4 tools. First of all, it can retrieve open deals. This one queries your CRM for active deals, excluding won and lost. The next tool, Get a Company. This one pulls in all the company details in our CRM, like the last interaction and the next scheduled touch point. And it's going to use this Get a Company tool for every single open deal that it finds from the first tool call. Then we use the Get Deal Owner tool to find out who we need to send the email to. And finally, the Send an Email tool, which delivers the briefing via Gmail in a nicely formatted HTML template. But what really makes this agent work the way it does is its system prompt, which we can find here in the agent instructions. Here we lay out the exact workflow we want the agent to follow. First of all, pull all open deals from the CRM. Then for each deal, gather the company and owner context. Step 3, assign a traffic light health status based on engagement on the deal. And then finally, grouping all deals by owner and sending that email. Now, what's great here is the agent is smart enough to remember owner data. If the same person owns multiple deals, it does not waste API calls fetching their data over and over again. Now, if you're a sales leader, this system prompt should act as inspiration. And obviously you should customize this to the exact way you want your team to work. Just like with this whole template, we've built this with Attio and Gmail, but you can easily adapt it to whatever CRM you're using. You can swap out Attio for HubSpot, Salesforce, Pipedrive, or any CRM with an API. And same with the schedule. By default, this one will run Monday morning at 9 a.m., but maybe you want to line this up to whenever you're having one-on-ones with your individual sales reps. Now, there is one interesting thing about how this agent is set up. Instead of using the inbuilt Attio actions, we're using custom API calls. And this can give you extra flexibility in case you don't find the relevant action that you want your agent to take. And the way this works in practice is for each API call, we let the agent decide the endpoint. And in the agent system prompt, we give it all the information it needs to create that URL. This means if you're working with any tool that does not have a native Make integration, or you need more control than the built-in action provides, you can just use the built-in HTTP module and teach the agent how to call the API directly. So that's our deal pipeline agent, a Make AI agent that can keep your sales team informed with personalized deal briefings delivered like clockwork.